Okay, guys, hello. Welcome to our live trading session. Some small technical issues, but everything should be working now. So on today's session, we're going to focus on basic strategy, not basic, price action cycle strategy. This strategy is working the best during US session. So it's the best timing for us now. So we're going to try to use it. I had plan in the morning, guys, and this plan was very good. But I got stopped out. Look at here, just break even. I had order here, and I tried to get nearly 3-1. I tried to get to measure move, so I was in profit nearly $4,000, and then this happened. But what can I do? I got stopped out on break even. You can see right here, minus $14. Unfortunately, didn't get to full take profit, but sometimes it's like this. I supposed to take some profit over here, maybe half, $2,000 would be good, but I wanted to get to, I think $6,000 was total profit. Okay, but it is what it is. We're gonna look for some other trades. Hopefully, we're gonna be able to find them. Okay, so let's start from microeconomic calendar. Let's check if we got any important news today. Today is Thursday, the 13th of November, and it looks like we don't have any important news in our calendar. They should be marked as red, like this one here in the morning or in Australia, employment change, and in Great Britain, 8 a.m. GDP, that was marked as red. The rest of the day is looking good, but remember, guys, that the government in USA is reopened now. So we might have some unexpected moves on the market because it was shut down for like 3-4 weeks, something like that. So everything is going back to normal. So today and tomorrow, maybe it's going to be a little bit crazy. Next week might be crazy also. So just be careful with your trading. So let's have a look. What can we find? What can we find on here? If we are able to find some opportunities, I think we can try to find setup from the morning, because in the morning we had a session. Let me just show you where is that target. This target is done. Gold. No, this is done. I thought we had a target in the morning. That was planned from the morning. So first leg, I told you to look at the chart because we had first leg, second leg, and I told you that there will be a chance to open the position after the price will come back and retest the position after this candle right here. Small stop loss, take profit, nearly 3-1, but then this happened. Boom. Unfortunately. But it is what it is. If they're gonna go up now, that will be shame, because they touched my break even, and if they're gonna go up now, I'm no don't want to think about this anymore. Okay, so let's check trading view and let's look for some opportunities. So basically, gold is looking quite good, I would say. Maybe we're gonna still be able to find some opportunities on the market. Do we have? Yes, we have. But opportunity was over here after the breakout. Here there was opportunity to go up. We didn't get to full take profit. I got stopped out. So maybe after the breakout, if something will change here, maybe there will be a chance for us to sell on gold. But we're gonna look for maybe hidden rotation channel We will see. We are in the area where I want to check what's going to happen next. If the buyers will come to the market, maybe we will get to that third leg measure move, or maybe we're going to drop down. After retest, we're going to think uh, about finding the right place to enter the position. But I think we can move to, let's leave it for now. Let's move to Euro USD. Euro USD, in the morning, we were talking about the target, which is over here, and we got how many? 87.87% chances that the price will come back here today. That's great information because this is something I want to see because in price action cycle, one of our setup is saying that we should come back into the range. And if we look at Asian session right here, we can see that the price was moving in this range. I cannot say here we had trend day, okay? The price was moving in some kind of range till like 8 a.m. and then boom, something happened on the market, okay? So let's check where is this range. So we are looking at the current day. The beginning of the day was here, so here the day started. So we want to find the range. Where is it? And we're gonna try to use it, especially that we got target somewhere here at the bottom. Okay, so this is another confirmation for us. I'm looking for as many reactions from the top as I can find. Bottom as well. Let me just change it. That's gonna be black. Okay. Think we can change the top. Top is looking good because I got this swings over here. It's looking quite good. I think we can move bottom a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5. Not really. No, 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 no. Okay, let me change the top. Let me have a closer look because something is wrong. I don't like this one. Yeah, I think this might work a little bit better. Let's say, okay. We're gonna have to leave it like this. I think it's quite good range. We had some reactions at expansion over here, maybe not the best one, but there is reaction. Expansions were reacting quite good. So this is gonna be our non-trade zone. So the area where we do not want to enter any position. Non-trade zone. Okay, we're gonna mark our expansions from the top right here. Let's change color for red because here we're gonna look for sellers. Okay, and over here another one, which is good, and we're gonna add another one. Because who knows, we might go a little bit higher, sorry. So we will see. What's going on the left-hand side? I just want to check if where is the price. Okay. If we're gonna go a little bit higher, it will be good for us as well, okay? All right, why not? So we know we got range over here and the price may come back to the range. Okay, sometimes we got situations that the day start in the range and then we got trend day, okay? So it's like multi-trend day. Maybe. But I'm not sure. Not sure. We need to check some other confirmations right here. Okay, so we need to check also micro rotation because I want to know in which rotation are we at this moment. Starting from here, we gonna have bullish. No, it's not confirmed. This one is not confirmed. The first rotation is over here. Another one just right here. Okay. Another one here. Confirmed over here. And now we got beginning of bullish rotation, which is good. Which is good because even if we're gonna confirm, maybe we're gonna have double top. That would be great. That would be great. Okay, bearish rotation. We're gonna wait for correction and we're gonna try to get to non-trade zone or our target from all in ASAP because we got 87% chances that we're gonna get there today. So I will also add support line, trend line, because after the breakout, maybe we're gonna think about the trade to go down. Maybe a little bit different conditions, but it doesn't matter. We want to make profit, so we need to be flexible. This target is 15803. 15803. 15803. That's our target. Style text we can add 87%. I will add so we can see that, okay? 87. So we want to get to this target, okay? We want to get into this area somewhere. Bullish rotation not confirmed yet. Hopefully they're gonna confirm this rotation because then I want to see bearish rotation, maybe like this and something like that. We will see. Like I said, we need to be flexible, so we need to watch the market because I don't know where they're gonna go. They might go up, down. I don't know that. This is a big question mark, okay? I don't know that. If you know, let me know. We're gonna open the position. If you know which way we're gonna go. And so we are guys looking for a specific situation. If we're gonna go up, okay, maybe we're gonna look for double top and we're gonna wait for right micro rotation, then we're gonna open the position, okay? We might have situation that we're gonna go even higher to this level right here. And we're gonna see reaction at this expansion. Then we're gonna wait for bearish rotation, and then we're gonna look for the trade. So maybe from here. So I'm not sure. I need to be flexible. I need to watch the market, see what's gonna happen, which way we're gonna go. I'm gonna check micro rotation. I know that where are the expansions. So I'm gonna watch for those reactions at expansions. Additionally, our trend line over here, resistance line, after the breakout first signal that maybe we're gonna go down. There is target at the bottom right here with 87% chances that we're gonna come back to this level today. So a lot of things going on, and we just need to wait and see where the market will go. We know we can look for the trade from this place here, from this place, and from this place. So 1, 2, 3. And I don't know where we're gonna go, here, here, or here. So we're gonna look for the situation. First one, okay, we know what to do. The second one, okay, and the third one. So let's make a plan. So in this case, I would like to wait for bullish micro rotation to be confirmed. Then look for bearish rotation, nice rotation going down, signal candle, and we can get to the target. Another one, another plan saying that we should get to here, need to see double top, and then I want to see beginning of bearish rotation. We're gonna wait for correction, and then we're gonna have our chance to open the position. Or the third option, if we're gonna go even higher to this level right here, we're gonna wait for bearish rotation. Okay, and we're gonna have much more space. So we got three different plans. So the first one, the second one, and the third one. Three different plans. So let's look for those situations. First, we need to put that in trading journal, okay? So we know what to do later. Mm, Okay, let me just save it. And 93, all right. Good. Let's move to our trading journal. Okay. Oh, you can see this is gold from this morning. This morning we made plan on gold. I told you it's too early to use it. No, this is 12th of November. Okay, this is different one. This is 12th of November. Oh, because we did that on morning session. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's add the 13th of November. 13th of November. This is gold. Not gold, Euro USD. It's time frame. Okay. That's why I'm looking for sell option. Mm, Generally, I have target from ASAP strategy with 87% chances that the price will get there today. I have three different plans for this trade. Okay, let me just add the screen. Okay. So we will see. We need to look how market will react because we want to follow this market. So, oh, the bullish rotation is down. Guys, this changed a little bit situation over here. Oh, no, 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 no. The bearish is done over here. Okay, don't worry. Don't you worry. Okay, so we know what to do. We just need to wait a little bit. Golds. Look at this. This is fucking bollocks. Why? Because they cut me out and now they are going up. What can I do? Nothing. Okay, we got gold. All right, let's check. I can see one of our setups, but why not? 1 second. Because we have strong spike move over here, we got some kind of flag. All right, and this is simple setup. Simple setup, but we had range this morning, basically. We will see. Okay, so right now, I'm not sure if you're gonna go any higher. If yes, I will have to change my measurement over here, this Fibonacci tool. If we're gonna stay here, I will wait for pullback to, let's say, 38.2, maximum to 50, but 38.2 will be good. And strong reaction, then we're gonna be able to open the position, okay? Mm, Yes, we will see. This is nice pattern. It's easy. Of course, this one is not my favorite one. My favorite one from spike moves, if you got spike move like this, spike and flag is much better. I think a lot of you know this pattern. It's working on small time frames, big time frames. It's pretty nice. This one, okay, I know it is, we got it here, but I need to have, in this setup, I need to have perfect correction, a perfect pullback just to 38.2. We will see. We will see if we can do that. So, guys, what you trading today? Did you place any trades in the morning? How is your trading? Let me know. That was 8:30. Okay, probably we can find some kind of range over here. Probably. Maybe come back into the range. Who knows? Okay, let's leave it like this. We might come back into the range, but first of all, crude oil is crazy sometimes. If we're gonna break through here, we might drop down straight away. Okay, so maybe we're gonna take a risk. Maybe I'm not saying I'm gonna take this risk, but maybe. Range, and we got sellers over here, sellers over here, and one more over here. I know nothing yet today. No trade so far. Okay, I placed the trade, but I hit break even. It's good anyway. I was looking at oil in terms of rain. This spike setup is not my favorite as well. Yes, it's not my, yes, it's not the best setup. Um, not the best setup because according to this setup, we're supposed to come back here, let's say to 38.3 and see continuation. But I know we got range over here, so not sure, not sure. Okay, let's wait for this correction and see if anything is gonna happen at 38.2. If not, maybe we're gonna try to get to non-trade zone. We will see. I want basically correction to 38.2, maximum to 50, but let's say 38.2, okay, or 0.382, if you like it like this. Okay, pullback zone. We'll see. For this one, we have to wait. Let's see what's going on euro. Okay. We might have continuation over here. This is one of our pattern, let's say, setups to go for continuation, 50%. Good. We got micro rotation, two try of sellers. First try, second try. If we're gonna bounce from this area and we're gonna see nice candle, I'm not sure maybe it's gonna be good idea to go up. Because sometimes the day is changing from range to trend. We will see. This can be interesting, but we need strong reaction. Okay. Otherwise, we're gonna look for some sell setups over here. Okay. Mm, US 500. Um, Today started like it looks like trend day, then we got something changed over here. Probably we'll have to measure this impulse from here. We went through the bounce from level. Okay, we can measure this and reaction at 50%. Perfect. Just perfect. Okay, so we got still some space to get down. We didn't get to second leg measure move yet. Of course. We will see. We will see. This is some kind of support resistance zone for us. So let's mark it as gray support resistance. I want to check because sometimes our indicator can help us make decision. Let's check gold. Okay. I thought this area is a little bit lower. These are volume areas. Mm, No. Come on, where is my mouse? I lost mouse, guys. Okay, it's here. Mm. Oh, this is US 500. I was looking at gold. I was looking at gold. Yes, 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 yes. US 500, we might have a chance to open the trade. Oh, yes. Using AI indicator, not only, but so what I'm talking about, I think I showed you some of you already these volume areas right here. if the price is breaking through, we got information about break support, and this is also signal that we got signal candle right here. Uh, this is good. The only thing we need to wait is for the retest of this area, and then boom. And this can be third leg measure move. Why third? Because this is the first one. If we're gonna get here, they're gonna touch this level. We're gonna get another second leg measure move, and then we're gonna wait for correction to break of support and continuation. I think it's pretty good plan on US 500, but we need to wait a little bit. Always waiting. All life, I'm waiting. Okay. Where is my screenshot? Okay. So let's put that in the diary, into journal. So this is US 500, 5 minutes time frame. Okay. I can see that the price got through uh, support zone. I need to wait for mm, retest of volume area, and if I see strong reaction, I will I will open the position. Okay, so we got another plan. Let's go back to euro. Euro is breaking through. Not yet. They stopped actually. And this is quite strong area. We will see. Maybe we're gonna open trade for continuation. I need to think about that. But I want to see what's gonna happen. If we're gonna break through, that's great. We're gonna look for setup maybe like this to get to our target. Okay, but first we need to see breakout. Getting closer to that. Okay, so we got gold. Gold we didn't do. Okay, US 500, crude oil. Crude oil still going up. Still going up. But we got our chances that we're gonna come back into the range. that we're gonna come back to the range. We got a plan over here, so we are breaking through. We are getting to the third extension, and now if we're gonna have a reaction, we can think about a trade to go down. Okay, there was no pullback, so I can remove that from the chart. Flag, okay, we can leave that flag for now, but I want nice reaction in the area where we are now. If we're gonna break through the third zone, mm, I will leave it, okay? I will leave it. Mm. Okay, gold, no, US, Euro USD, okay, it's 500. Basically, we done all of them. Over here, there is also some support zone. Mm, the price may reverse, we will see. Mm, 1 second, we got first leg measure move, we got second leg, and the third leg is not done. And now we got double bottom over here, and maybe we're gonna be able to go up for continuation. Continue. We'll see. We are in bullish or bearish, not bearish. Let's say bearish. Not sure. Let's leave it. Crude oil is looking good, but we need to stop somewhere around this area, okay? That's the condition. US 500. Also, I want to see come back at least to here, maybe then drop down the price, okay? So if the price will drop, that will be good. We're gonna look for some opportunity. And Euro USD, I think it's looking quite good, but we need to wait for the price to break through because I want to get to the target, which got 87% chances that we're gonna get there today. Okay. Market is slowing down a little bit. Is 30 minutes to 3 p.m. We will see maybe 3:30. Market's gonna move again. Probably yes. So especially on indices or gold, we will see. We will see. Let me just check what plans do we have. We got plan for Euro USD, three different plans. Okay. USD CHF. Okay. USD CHF. And we stopped over here. We stopped over here. Let me just check something. This is Euro. And this is 5 minutes time frame. Hmm. Plus this is Euro. I need USD CHF. Okay. Let me just check something. If it's working, I will show you. Mm, 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 here. No, unfortunately, no. Okay, guys. So, US session. Like I said, slowly, no rush. We can wait for the setups. I don't mind waiting. As long I get profits from that, I don't mind waiting. Okay. So USD JPY. I don't want to use USD JPY. No, not my type. USD US 500. Good. Mhm. To be honest, the best is looking crude oil. If we're gonna stop somewhere here and the price will drop, we might have a opportunity to get to the range. So we're gonna look for something like this, and we're gonna try to join, of course. Why not? So big potential. Let me just check if I put it in daily. This is US 500 euro. No, let me just put here crude oil. Five minutes time frame. Okay. Dun, dun. Come on. Is it still buffering? No, it's good. No, this is this not this screenshot is wrong. One second. I did something wrong. We got US 500, we got euro, so we need crude oil. If we're gonna break through this resistance line, great, but sometimes there's no retest. On crude oil, I was waiting so many times for retest, and sometimes if they dropping, they have just dropped. So I will see how markets will be dynamic if I'm gonna see nice candle like this signal candle breaking through this support line. I will open the position probably. Okay, so let's say soft version and hard version is like this. Okay, two options again. Let me make a screenshot. Why it doesn't work? Okay. So this is a crude oil, 5 minutes time frame. Hmm. Okay. 5 minutes time frame. Uh, I'm waiting for reaction at last expansion. I'm waiting for reaction at last expansion. Uh, I need to wait for micro rotation. Um, then 1 second, guys. I need to wait for micro rotation, then for pullback, and we'll look for perfect entry. Second option, second option is to enter the position after the price break through support line, but candle must be strong. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, 1 second. Position after the price break through support line, but candle must be strong. If the candle will be strong, I will open the position. Then I will open the trade. Okay. So we got few different options. Let me just have a look at trading view. So I want to see reaction somewhere around this expansion. Over here is good as well. I can't complain. Okay, what's going on over here? Why this candle is looking like this? 1 second, 1 second. Okay. This is US 500. We should look at our AI indicator. Okay, we got breaks up. If now we're gonna see signal from AI indicator saying that the sellers are coming into the market, we might open the position. Let me just check the forecast. Forecast market. Forecast. Okay. We can see that the delta is bearish at this moment, and we may have a chance to go down. This is like a prediction where the price will go. Only thing I need to see is the signal from AI, so I need dots over here. Okay, that's it. Because we might have a retest. The retest may be a little bit stronger, maybe this, and then we're gonna have information. We will see. We're gonna watch the delta and what's going on in this area right here. In this area. On oil, will you see your will you set your stop loss above this small rotation channel from the spike? Yes, on gold. Let me just show you. Sorry, crude oil. If there will be rotation like this, probably, if this correction will be nice, I may set my stop loss over here. But to be honest, we got plenty space to the non-trade zone. So basically, if we're gonna open the position somewhere in this area, we may do it like this. So we still should be able to get 2 to 1. 1 to 2 risk to reward, okay? And on crude oil, mm, be careful with the stop loss, okay? Because there is around 3 pips spread. So even if you're gonna set stop loss, I don't know, maybe for 10 pips, and the price will get close to your stop loss, your position will be close 3 pips before the stop loss will get to your level of stop loss, if you know what I mean. So just be careful with this small stop loss on crude oil. Sometimes it's better to put bigger stop loss, not bigger stop loss, I don't mean more capital, but a little bit more space. Okay, even if you open the trade like 1 to 1.5, it will be good, but you're gonna be safe. Okay, so sometimes it's better to do it this way. Mm, Sometimes I put small stop losses like this, but my risk is usually lower. That's the first thing. And I can open trade like this, but my risk, let's say $500 to get $2,000 or $1,000 to get $4,000. Depends how risky the trade is. But like I said, you need to be careful on crude oil. We are slowly coming down. Okay, guys, we got 3 different plans. We can still wait for the retest. Don't worry about that. Over here, the price still may come back over here. And if we're gonna get information from AI, we can open. I'm gonna open the trade. I don't know how about you. Remember, I'm not providing any signals. This is only my opinion, and you are trading at your own risk. Okay, so remember that. All right, just to be clear. So if the price will come back, probably I will open the position after the signal from this AI. But I need to wait for that. Also, we got crude oil, which we need to wait for as well. This one here, maybe not too long, because cash market on crude oil just opened. So probably the price will drop now. Maybe. Let's see how this price will react. Let me do something. 1 second. This is gonna be a little bit risky, probably. Sure. 14 pips. Maybe it's gonna be risky. Let's see. Pending order. I want to sell. Sell stop. Risk value no. Percent 0.1. Oh, come on. 0.1. Take profit. Stop loss around 18 pips. Small stop loss. Minus 18. Just set sell stop order, but I can see they are going up. If the price won't drop now, I will remove that order and I'm gonna wait for better situation, maybe like this with retest. It's gonna be better because I thought we're gonna fall straight away, okay? Because cash market in on US crude oil just opened, so I thought we're gonna drop down straight. But if this order won't activate in 5 minutes, I will give 5 minutes maximum. 5 minutes time, I will remove it. Okay. And the take profit, of course, we need to try to get to uh, the range. So open of the day, I think, makes sense. Okay, so take profit for $3,500. Confirm. Good. So I will give another 5 minutes, okay, for this order to be activated. So let's say 10 past 3, I will remove it. And then I will look for other opportunities. What we got over here, we got plans. So let me just make a screenshot and put this trade into the journal as well, because the trade is open. Basically, not it's not open yet, but it may open in the second. Save. Okay. Save. And we got 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this one here. There is a chance that the price will drop soon. There is a chance. So still got 4 minutes, 5. Okay. Uh, order set for, sorry, stop order set under uh, resistance line. If not activated by I will need to look for better entry. Okay, simple. All right, so guys, we got few different plans. One trade is set. We got another 4 minutes for this trade to be activated. Maybe quarter past, maximum quarter past. Okay, but I want to see them dropping down now. And what else do we have at this moment? Gold, no. Okay. There's no retest, no information, all right? And Euro USD, it's looking that they want to go up. And if we are considering this impulse and pullback zone to 50% micro rotation, everything is working, we should open position basically over here. With small stop loss, we can do that. 1 to 2. Safer option, something like that. But I don't want to do it because I know there is target with 87% chances that we're gonna get there today. So I prefer to look for short position. Okay, they might go down. Okay, maybe they will go without me. I don't mind. Okay, let them go. I don't need to open trade. Okay, sure. No, not waiting for signals, but I appreciate I can see how you use the strategy. Yes. I need to say that because I know some people sometimes opening trades and maybe they will blame me if there will be stop loss. Okay. If there are profits, everything is happy. But if there is one stop loss, people start blaming. But I know not you, Anna, but we had some situations like that. All right, guys. So thank you for this session. Few different plans. We're gonna look uh, for opportunities. This is something what I'm looking for, and my stop loss probably risk to reward 1 to 2, something like that. Okay, but we need to wait for this situation. So there is nice timing because market should be moving again, more volatility on the market. So let's wait a few more minutes and we'll see what's going on. I thought this crude oil dropped down. I No, not yet. Closer, but still not yet. Okay, guys. So thank you guys for this session. Thank you, Anna. And I will see you tomorrow morning. And Friday, we're gonna check what we did this week. Not too many positions were open. Last week was a little bit better, but don't worry, they didn't finish, and tomorrow is another day. So, guys, fingers crossed. Uh, um, I'm pretty sure we should be happy by the end of the week. Don't worry. Month started very good. So hopefully tomorrow, another day. And today, like I said, I'm going to look for those setups. So, guys, thank you very much for today. And I will see you tomorrow morning. So take care, guys. Oh, one more thing. I will let you know because I'm not sure. I just need to confirm because I might be off tomorrow. Okay. I will confirm that with you. Okay. Because I'm not sure if I'll be off. If not, I will do the session morning and afternoon. All right. Okay. I will let you know, guys. So thank you and see you tomorrow.